2023 Cbse Mathematics Standard Paper. In this video, I'll explain 1 to 18 multiple choice questions. Each question carries 1 mark. The set code is here. Question paper code 30/1/1 SET-1 2023. So here now, the first question is, each question is of 1 mark. The first question is, the graph of y equals p of x is given for a polynomial p of x. The number of zeros of p of x from the graph. See here, the graph touches x-axis here at 1 point. So the number of zeros, it cuts at only 1 point, so 1 0. So the correct option is B. The correct option is B. Next one, the value of k for which the pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. So here the question is not in a standard form, so what I'll do, I'll write kx minus y minus 2 equals 0, 6x minus 2y minus 3 equals 0. Now infinitely many solutions, the condition is a1 by a2 equals b1 by b2 equals c1 by c2. Now if we'll substitute the values, k by 6 minus 1 by minus 2, minus cancel, 2 times 1, 2 times 3. So if we'll cross multiply, 3 into 1, which is 3. So the value of k is 3. So the correct option is A. Next one, if these three terms are in AP, see here A1, A2, A3. If these three terms are in AP, then see, you can use the condition of an AP like A2 minus A1 equals A3 minus A2. A2 is P plus 1, A1 is P minus 1 equals A3 2P plus 3, A2 is P plus 1. So if we'll simplify, P plus 1 minus P plus 1, 2P plus 3 minus P minus 1. So here it is equal to 2. 2p minus p is p plus 3 minus 1 is 2. So if we transpose this 2 minus 2 is p. So the value of p is 0. So the correct option is C. Next one, in what ratio x-axis divides? See, the formula to write directly x-axis divides, the answer is minus y1 is to y2. So here x1 y1, x2 y2. So minus 6 is to y2 is minus 3. Minus cancel, 6 is to 3, which is nothing but 2 is to 1. 3 times 2, 3 times 1. So the correct option is D. In the given figure, PQ is a tangent to the circle center at O. AOB is 95, then measure of ABQ. We need to find this angle. I'll consider it as x. I'll consider this angle as x. So now see here, in triangle AOB, OA equals OB, OA equals OB. So angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two angles y and y, I'll consider as y. So 95 plus y is 180 degrees. 2y is 180 minus 95. 2y is 85. 2y equals 85 degrees. So y is 85 by 2. So y is 42.5. But I know that x plus y, angle OBQ, this one is 90. So OBQ is 90. So OBQ is x plus y is 90 degrees. So x plus y value, just now I got 42.5. So x equals 90 minus 42.5. So x is 47.5 degrees. So the correct option is A. Next one. Next question. See, this one here they gave 2 tan A equals 3. 2 tan A equals 3. So tan A value is 3 by 2. And the question is in terms of sine and cos. So here 4 sin A plus 3 cos A by 4 sin A minus 3 cos A. So I know the value of tan. So I'll change this question in terms of tan. So I'll divide both numerator and denominator by cos A. Both I'll divide by cos A. So here sin by cos is tan. 4 tan A, cos and cos cancel, plus 3 by 4 tan A minus 3. Tan A value is 3 by 2 plus 3. 4 into 3 by 2 minus 3. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. 2 times 1, 2 times 2. So here 2 into 3, this value is 6. 6 plus 3 by 6 minus 3. By 6 minus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9 by 3, which is nothing but 3. So the correct option is C. So other method is you can find the values of sine and cos with the help of Pythagoras theorem. Then you can find, you substitute the values. Next question. Alpha and beta are the zeros. So here the equation is x square plus x minus 1. If you compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 1. I need to find 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. LCM is alpha beta, so beta plus alpha, or you can write alpha plus beta by alpha beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a, alpha into beta is c by a and a will get cancelled, so you're left with minus b by c. Now if you substitute the values, b is 1, c is minus 1. Minus minus cancel, so the answer is 1. The correct option is A. The least positive value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 4 equals 0 has rational roots. The question is very interesting. One is because of rational, the other one they want only positive value. Rational and positive value. So see, if I'll compare with the standard one, ax square plus bx plus c, the value of a is 2, b is k, c is minus 4. See here, if you try to understand, like see, x equals, the formula, quadratic formula is under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. They want rational, so this value b square minus 4ac should be a perfect square. Should be a perfect square value. So to get a perfect square, now see, first I'll calculate b square minus 4ac. b is here k square minus 4 into 2 into minus 4. So k square minus of minus plus 36. Sorry, 4 into 8, 32. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 4, 32 plus 32. Now see, this should be a perfect square. See, 32, to get a perfect square, the nearest perfect square is 36 because it is positive. If it is negative, I would have tried for the bigger number, but it is positive. So 32 plus, and it is whole square, so 32 plus 4 will give you 36. So k square should be 4. K equals root 4, which is plus or minus 2, because we have in the option C. Here option C, if you will see, we have plus or minus 2. But they told very clearly the positive value. So the correct option is here B. Next question. The values, this if we substitute the values, we'll get the answer. See, 3 tan square 30. 3 by 4. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. And sec square 45. Sec 45 is root 2 whole square. And sin 60 is root 3 by 2 whole square. So 3 by 4 into 1 by root 3 whole square is 1 by 3. Root 2 whole square is 2. And this is 3 by 4. 3 and 3 cancel. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 4 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4 minus 2. So 4 by 4 is 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So the correct option is A. See here it is 1 by 4 minus 2 plus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 4 by 4, which is 1 minus 2 minus 1. Next one, curved surface area of a cylinder. See, curved surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeters square. So 2 pi r h is 942 by 10. If we'll take out the decimal. So 2 into 22 by 7 into radius we need to calculate, and pi they told 3.14. So I'll write as 314 by 100 into r into h, which is 5. So here 942. Now see here 2 times 2 into 5 is 10. 1 0 and 10 will get cancelled. Here 942 by 10. 10 and 10 cancel. So r equals 942 by 314. 14 times 3 is 42. 300 times 3 is 900. So radius is 3 centimeters. So the correct option is B. The distribution below gives the marks obtained by 80 students on a test. Marks and number of students. See, whenever they'll say less than or below, the next column they'll say number of students. This is not the frequency. It will be like less than cumulative frequency. So first what we'll do, we'll write class, then frequency. Class is less than 10, so you can write 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. Now frequency is 3. 12 minus 3. 12 minus 3 is 9. 27 minus 12. 27 minus 12 is 15. 57 minus 27 is 30. 75 minus 57. 75 minus 57 is, here you get 18. 18. And 80 minus 75 is 5. Now we need to select the model class. See, model class is here clearly the highest frequency one, which is highest frequency here is 30. So this is the model class. Model class is 30 to 40. Model class is 30 to 40. So 30 to 40, the correct option is C. Next one, the curved surface area of a cone having height and radius. See, height is given 24 centimeters and radius is 7 centimeters. But curved surface area, the formula is pi r L. So pi is 22 by 7 into radius is 7. L we don't have, so L we need to find by using the relation between LHR, or L square equals h square plus r square, 24 square plus 7 square, 576 plus 49, which is 625. So under root 625 is 25. So the value of L is 25. 7 cancel. So here 25 times 2, 50. 25 times 2 is 50. So 50 times 11 is 550. So the answer is here 550 centimeter square. So the correct option is C. Next one, the distance between these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points. See, distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here x1 y1, x2 y2, x2 minus 2 root 5 whole square minus 2 root 5 minus 0 whole square, 0 minus 2 root 5 whole square. So here minus 2 root 5 whole square, and 0 minus 2 root 5 is minus 2 root 5 whole square. So now you'll get like 4 times 5 is 2 whole square is 4. 4 into root 5 whole square is 5. Minus 2 whole square is 4. Root 5 whole square is 5. So 4 5s 20 plus 20. So root 40. If you'll write the prime factors, 2 into 5. Here you'll get, see here only 2 times 2 we have. So just you'll write 2 and inside 2 into 5 10. So 2 root 10. So the correct option is A. Which of the following is a quadratic polynomial having zeros minus 2 by 3 and 2 by 3? Now see here, this you can use alpha beta, and you can find the quadratic polynomial. So that is one method. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So x square minus alpha is minus 2 by 3 plus beta is 2 by 3, x plus minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 3. So x square minus, this is 0. So plus into minus minus 4 by 9. X square minus 4 by 9. So here if we'll take k, over here. So if we'll take LCM, x square minus 9x square minus 4 by 9. So here at k is equal to 9. So the answer is like 9x square minus 4. Now see, the question is very twisted here. The correct option is D. Sir, how D? Because see, when suppose you take here k, you can take here any constant. You can take 9 and they'll get cancelled. But here if it is 5 also, suppose for example, and if you try to find the zeros, you will equate with 0. First you will send 5 that side. So you will get 9x square minus 4 equals 0. So again 9x square minus 4, if you will factorize 9x square minus 4, see 9x square minus 4 equals 0. So 9x square equals 4. X square is 4 by 9. X is root 4 by 9, which is nothing but plus or minus 2 by 3. So plus 2 by 3 and minus 2 by 3. So see here, if you will try to find for the first one, you will get here 4x square minus 9 equals 0. 4x square equals 9. X equals 9 by 4 under root. So 3 by 2 plus or minus 3 by 2 you will get. For this 2 will not get real roots because see 9x square plus 4 equals 0. So 9x square equals minus 4. X square is minus 4 by 9. So x, next step x will be under root minus 4 by 9, which is not real. The next one is also x square plus 9 by 4. So equals 0. X square equals minus 9 by 4. X equals root minus 9 by 4. Inside the root, if it is negative, it is imaginary. So the correct option is D. Here I told they twisted because here they gave one other constant 5. Next one. Next question. If each value of the observation of a statistical data is increased by 3, then mean of the data. See, however the observation will get affected. In the same way the mean will get affected. So mean also will increase by 3. So the correct option is B. Correct option here is B. I'll take one example and I'll explain. Now see here, let the observations be x1, x2, so on, xn, n observations. So mean is, so if we'll cross multiply sum of the observations by number of observations, n time x bar is x1, x2, so on, xn. This is equation 1. Here if you leave it here, x1, x2 value is this. Okay. Now they told each observation is increased by 3. So new mean will be x1 plus 3 x2 plus 3 plus so on xn plus 3 by n. So now see here, x1 plus 3 xn plus 3 x1 plus x2, so I'll write all the variables, plus xn. This 3 will be getting like n times 3 by n. Now see this one, x1 plus x2 plus so on xn value, just now we got it here, that is n times x bar plus 3n, n times x bar plus 3n. So if we'll write 3n by n, if we'll take n common, x bar plus 3 by n. See here you're left with x bar plus 3. So mean also will increase by 3. Whatever we'll do for the observation, in the same way the mean will get affected. Next one, probability of happening an event is denoted by P. So probability of an event is P, and probability of not happening an event is probability of not event, not E you can write, or E bar is Q. So probability of an event and not event sum is always 1. So the relation between P and Q is P plus Q is 1. The probability of an event and probability of a not event sum is 1. So the correct option is A. A girl calculates the probability of her winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. So here probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes. So probability of an event winning chances is 0.08. If 6,000 tickets are sold, how many tickets has she bought? So number of favorable outcomes, number of tickets she bought be x out of 6,000. So chances are 0.08, that is probability. Now if we'll cross multiply, x equals 0.08 into 6,000. So 8 by 100 into 6,000, 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 8 times 6, 48, so 480. She bought 480 tickets, so the correct option is C. Next one, in a group of 20 people, 5 cannot swim. If one person is selected at random, then the probability he or she can swim. So probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes. See, out of 20, if I'll take out the 5 who cannot swim, so number of people who can swim is 15. 15 out of total is 20. 5 times 3, 5 times 4. So probability of an event is here, it is clearly 3 by 4. So the correct option is A.